guys, we're back in another video. Today we will be going to be playing Cotton Towel. I made it to the yellow area, got my spawn. So let's start. We're gonna use the jump coil. Because this seems like the most accurate.
How many shoes do I need? Tell them I'll go make TikToks a little here.
Funtime Enold is going to be.
I need 7 shoes.
Oh, this look.
What?
This wasn't like.
I need 4 shoes. I need 4 more shoes.
This look. This
I'm
person
busy.
didn't know that you could just jump.
Mason, are you busy at the moment?
I can see. By the way, we're home alone.
Man, they're gonna be texting.
I know. This is easy. I might have to take that back later.
Oh, ow.
How much longer does this yellow go for? I probably only have time for the yellow. There we are. Oh, well, you can just go right through these. No. Oh my gosh, I have survived. But now I have to do it all again. But it's fine because we're just right up here. This person has the same tactic as me. Just jumping constantly. Please. Train. It's probably like 4 right now. We're on a light. We're on like. A lighter. Yellow. Like a darker, I mean. You going outside?
Hey, can you make sure Chef doesn't get in my way? Please?
I'll make sure.
Got all the shoes I can find.
Woo! It took me so long to do the pink level that I didn't even record it. Gotta land in that middle. Like, these are getting higher. This. Look.
No.
What?
Nothing, Peyton.
Look how high I am.
I am busy at the moment,
I am
Peyton.
so high right now. I kinda don't want to die anymore till I get to that checkpoint up there.
I need better lighting over here.
This is where you make friends, but
Peyton, I am busy at the moment.
I'm not talking to you. So let's start. I won't be talking. Oh, good. How much farther does this go? I'll make a part 2 after it saves. I'll probably be higher than where we leave off.
No, I missed it! Alright, Payne, what shoe should I wear first, my Crocs?
Crocs. It's like the poop level right here. Yeah, you can lose a little health in this game. My goal is to make it to the top of this tower. People can make it, I can. Like right up there's the checkpoint. Just gotta make it over there, and I'm just using the jump coil.
Alright.
I'll just use the jump coil to skip those. Then jump on them.
I am filming a TikTok.
I'm recording a video.
I'm filming a TikTok.
I made it up so high.
Do not come in the area I'm in. Teddy, do not go in this area. Teddy!
Alright, I'm gonna let them out.
Then stop saying his name and just kill me. Since I have the checkpoint up there.
Let me film my face.
Shut up.
Okay. Okay.
You're a whiner.
Oh my god. I'm almost done.
6 o'clock.
There's 2 more pair of shoes.
What are you even doing?
I'll show you. I'm doing the shoe challenge.
I'm doing it.
The shoe challenge.
What is the shoe challenge?
Putting your
And
left, it's putting your left foot on your left shoe on your right foot, and your right shoe on your left foot, and being able to walk in them. Is that it?
No. I'll show you the one I'm trying to.
The shoe challenge.
I only have a certain amount of time to film this. You can only film for 60 seconds. I'm not going to do this challenge anymore.
Are you giving up?
Yes, I'm giving up.
Why?
I'm going to try an easier TikTok challenge.
And I've just been doing parkour for the last like 30 minutes.
Take this out. Take this one.
Oh, I gotta try this. How did you do that?
Probably translation.
No, not the Japanese, Peyton.
We just fell down even further. Which is it? It's a straight line.
This is too far.
Yes. Oh, I can use the kill box. Oh my gosh. Are you freaking kidding me?
Mom, Payne's about to rage.
I'm full of rage. It just brought me back 4 levels. I mean 2 levels, but that is a lot. I was here a few minutes ago. Fine, take a little damage. Oh gosh, no. Focus. Very focused. You good? I guess I'll make a part 2. I'm just gonna go to the
Oh my god, I found this TikTok idea I have. Before it gets dark. I had to do it before it gets dark.
I don't want to kill.
It's a TikTok idea and I need to go outside for it. And I need to use the light. So I have good lighting, I need to find the audio. I need to find it quick!
Find what?
The audio. There it is.
Dang, my Wi-Fi went out. What am I gonna do now? Guess I can go outside.
Just listen.
Are those trees? Oh, look at the bird. Oh, nature. It's just so disgusting. I'm going back inside.
I really want to film this one. I should put some shoes on that I'm gonna help her. And perfect, I need Sheplet for this.
Because you're gonna.
I need to go outside. I need Sheplet for the bird part. Where's the original? I should probably. We need some salt for the first part.
Probably post this when I finish the towel.
You are dedicated to finishing that tower. What is it, Tower of Hell?
No,
What are you playing then?
I'm playing Cotton Towel.
I've never heard of that game.
It's a TikTok trend game.
I'm checking that after because I'm on TikTok right now.
Just type in Cotton Towel.